Okay, good morning, guys, and welcome to another episode of 123 Technicals. As we all know, this is basically a market outlook session. We get to see what opportunities can grab from the market, and then you guys get to see more of my strategy. It's a very wonderful day today. It's looking optimistic. So before we get started, for those that are watching this video on YouTube, please like and subscribe to the page, and then you can always drop comments on what you want to be seeing from me more. Yeah. Um. Okay, guys, let's get started. So today we already had one high impact news. We have a lot of high impact news today. We have four ADP. Oh, and this week is actually no wonder it has been shitted. This week is actually NFP week. So we have this ADP non-farm employment change, and then we have prelim GDP Q on Q, that's quarter on quarter, yeah. So it's basically for quarter four. Then we have job openings. All of these are unemployment news. And then we have oral speech by 7:30 p.m. So it's going to be a lot of volatility in the market today, especially this speech from the Fed chairman. Yeah. So let's be careful. But before then, let's jump on our charts and see what we can grab. Yeah. So now, looking at all these pairs, they are quite shitty. Yesterday, all these pairs did me dirty. I was looking for a retest. I did not get a retest. And then price just broke above and then came back inside the range. We're actually bullish right now. And then I think we created an entry criteria. We have been pushing up small, but then I did not see this was around 1 a.m. So this one is already gone, Otilo. So I am going to wait. What am I going to wait for? I'm going to wait if we're going to have a break of structure above here, or if we're going to have a break below here. So either ways, I'll be looking for the retest. So that's basically what I'm going to be waiting for. That's what I'm going to be working with. Now, SZD USD is the same thing. Yeah. This little demon came, broke above, did not sell. Then we came back inside the range. We're actually bullish right now because that candlestick closed above. Came back inside the range, and then we started rejecting to the top. Now, two things. What are the two things? First, can we see a break of structure above? Can we see a break of structure above, or will we be able to see that break of structure down here? So now, if you say it's break of structure below, it's going to be more like a shift in market structure. So it's going to be something like this, and then we'll be looking for a retest. And then if we get a break above, it's basically the continuation of the uptrend. So that's basically what we're going to be looking at today. So that's what I have on NZD USD. Then Euro USD. Honestly. So these are the areas we drew yesterday to see whether Euro USD will break out. And up to now, it has not clearly broken out of any of these levels. So it's just to sit down and wait. This top and this low here. These two. So it's more like it's ranging. So we'll just wait and see what will happen today. Now, GBP USD was a bitch to me yesterday. It was, sorry, I'm saying the word bitch. GBP USD was very wicked to me yesterday. So if you drop to the 15 minutes, yeah, around the 0.6 Fibonacci, we had an entry. Okay, we did not tap into the 0.6 yet. It was around the 0.5. But then we're close to the 0.6. And then we created an entry criteria here, this big candlestick here. And I was like, wow, we've created this entry criteria. There's no way price will break this very fat rejection candle. Next thing, boom, boom, two candlesticks came out of nowhere and cleared me out. They went and created a small one at the top. And I was like, if this big one can get broken, this one too might get broken. And already I was two trades down already. So I was like, nah, let me leave it. But then I marked it out. And to my, I don't know whether it's not surprise. To my annoyance, the thing actually sold and hit CP. 5 RR trade. I did not take it. So it's actually sad. But anyways, it is what it is. It's just one of those days. Yeah. Now, what can we look out for on GBP USD today? Why the charts no? So we have this low here. And then we have first this high here. I'm not really, yeah, this one, I'll use this one. So now, what I'm going to be looking out for on GBP USDs now is, can we get that break of structure to the downside? So now, if we get the break of structure, we'll be looking for a retest here to take sales to the downside. If we can't, then will we be able to get that break of structure to the upside? If we get it to the upside, then basically we'll be looking for the retest and then the continuation. So that's basically what I'll be looking out for on GBP USD. Now, GBP JPY. GBP JPY is just annoying too. Yeah, GBP JPY, we broke structure yesterday. We came back, we tested, and then we started ranging here like this. From here to here, it was just one range. So I'm going to leave it alone. Up to now, it has not decided what you want to do yet. So I'm going to leave it alone until I see a clear break of structure. Gold. Gold too is the same thing. I am pained. Gold, I sold, okay, marked levels for us on the place you want to, okay, that's on GBP JPY, yeah? Okay, so GBP JPY, this is what I'm looking out for. Will we be able to break this low down here? Or the one above? Or the one above. So that's basically what we're looking out for. Either a break above or that continuation. That's a clear exit of the range, or a break below. So we're basically waiting if we are going to see any break either ways, and then we catch the retest and then we'll sell, or we wait for the break above and then catch the retest for a buy. Now, gold. Gold up to now is still not selling. No, the thing did as if you wanted to sell yesterday. I was already crying. Because I think, did gold actually create an entry criteria? No, it didn't. It was the third time that I came into this place that I actually created an entry criteria. So gold is quite shitty, and honestly, I feel like I should leave gold for now. Yesterday, I lost 250 on it, and beg, I'm not in the mood for now losing trade right now. But then, what can we watch out for? This low, and then this high. I actually feel like I've been looking at a lot of pairs these days, and I feel like I should drop some and just continue with the four that I used to look at before. I just leave that. Definitely, I don't know. I feel like I should just leave some pairs. Yeah, I should just leave them alone. I think I would, after today, I'll just delete GBP, JPY, gold, and then AED card. It's stretching my focus, and then maybe I might remove GBP USD too. I'll just leave NZD USD, Euro USD, and GBP USD, or even remove Euro USD too. So now, AD card, I'm going to leave this one alone because this is actually a cross pair. But then the thing with these cross pairs is that if they start doing something, man, they do it a lot. Okay, that I should still do GBP USD. Okay, still do GBP USD. Now, what can I watch out for on AD card? This low down here, and then this high that price is heading to right now. So now, if we get a break below, yeah, if we get a break below, basically we can wait for that retest. It's more like a shift in market structure now. So we'll wait for the retest at the neckline or the continuation. Then, if we can get a break above, we'll basically wait for a retest above and then continue the uptrend. So that's basically what we're going to look at for an AED card. Now, is there any other pair you guys want us to take a look at before we go? USD CHF, okay. USD CHF. Let's see. Whoa, USD CHF is quite wild. Okay, we have this low here. And then we have this high where price is trying to tap into right now. So what can we do? Let's watch out and see if we're going to get a break below and then a retest to continue down, or we're going to get a break above, yeah, for a retest and continue up. So that's basically what I'm going to be looking out for on USD CHF. Now, any other pair? USD CAD. Look at AD USD. I can see a buying opportunity. Okay. And I think there's USD CAD. So let's look at USD CAD, then we'll look at AD USD again. Larry said he's seeing a buy. Me, I'm sure coming down first. They can't shake UIC yesterday. See, one thing I don't like with cross pairs, it has not retraced down to the 0.6 years. Let's see. It drop my feed. I actually like this one. So see something, yeah. The 0.61, it is around the structure that was broken. Let me set an alert there. So we might actually have that reaction from that. So it's just to wait and see. I feel like I should set a pending order, but I'll go and find one careless account and set it. Maybe I'll go and credit my live account with 10K. See if I can flip it to something good. I'll open 20 lot size. How much would be 10K right now inside the next? That would be like $14 or so. I'll be 13 self. I will see what I flip on. Then let's see. Okay, Larry said we should look at AUD/USD again. AUD/USD thing, yeah. Let me see. Let me drop my fib. It's already buying. Do you get? That's the problem. It's already buying. We cannot just go and jump on it. It's as if car don't already start a move and wants to go and jump on it. So it's not safe. So I'm just going to leave it for now. But then if we have that, if the buys continue and then break above, then we can wait for a retest. So that's what I'll be looking at for AUD/USD. And I pray the news today move the market. If the news move the market today, we'll have very strong impulsive moves. The next one, we use short retracement strategy on it because once the trend is very strong, there's always that tendency that is going to continue for a while. So let's just wait and see how the news will play out today. Any other pair you guys want us to take a look at? Hope you guys understand everything we've done, and hope you guys don't have any question. If you have any question, please let me know before we go. Okay, I'll take the silence as no question. Please, before we go, like I always say, always have that flexible mindset, yeah? And please, risk management is very important. I can overemphasize this. Risk management is very important. You guys should stop over leveraging. I say this thing, stop over leveraging, stop over leveraging. It's the only way you can last in the market. I get all of us want to make the money, yeah, 30 December. But if you lose your account, you know if you dirty another December. So even if you know dirty this December, hold your account, you live to fight another day. So stay safe, guys, and I wish you all a very beautiful and wonderful trading day. Catch you guys same time tomorrow. Bye, guys.